Please welcome Tomomasa Haraguchi, Japan Science and Technology Agency.
Hi, I'm Haraguchi from Japan Science and Technology Agency, or JST. I'm very honored to be here to share an excellent startup based on the research from JST. Many companies are introduced through JST every year. Today, we are pleased to present you with a special one called Algal Bio. Algal Bio was established in 2018, and JST has directly invested in the company and supported it from the beginning. They are in the business of algae and trying to implement an environmental shift from a consumption-based society to that of a circular-based society. JST firmly believes Algal Bio is contributing to the longevity of a human lifespan by solving the protein crisis and making circular economy a reality. They contribute to the future of the Earth and humankind through scientific technology. Now, please welcome Dr. Kimura from Algal Bio.
Breaking the wall of algae's potential. Amane Kimura, Algal Bio.
Good morning. Guten Morgen. My name is Amane. This is Amane, CEO of Algal Bio. July 29th, 2021. This is our Earth Overshoot day for this year. This is the date when humanity is expected to exhaust our nature's budget for the rest of the year. In order to overcome these challenges and pass on a healthy environment to the future generation, it is of urgent need to shift from a linear consumption type society to a circular symbiotic society. But the question is, how? We firmly believe that algae is one of the means to solve this global crisis. Algae produce the oxygen, which brought forth biodiversity in the earth billions of years ago. This is the same algae that can sequester carbon dioxide to produce the oxygen of today. That is where we, Algal Bio, could play an important role. Our mission, cultivating algae's potential for a better future, does describe what we could contribute to the society. We partner with industrial leaders to jointly pave the way for a better future by delivering algae-based sustainable solutions that empower our partners' business. Our unique capabilities, built upon more than 20 years of scientific research at the University of Tokyo, enable us to provide holistic algae-based solutions, identifying the best package of unique strains and optimized cultivation condition. In another word, we can deliver a microalgae-based clean technology for our partners to produce whatever target component or product from microalgae, yet in a more sustainable way. Thus, our playing field is very broad. But next question you might be asking us would be, what can you do? What is your uniqueness? So this photo represents our uniqueness. We call this Nanairo Chlorella, which means 7 colors chlorella in Japanese. These different colors represent different functional ingredients accumulated in microalgae. For example, yellow color represents accumulation of functional ingredients such as lutein for eye health. Red color represents accumulation of astaxanthin for an antioxidant. With our unique strains and unique cultivation techniques, we can find a way to produce specific target components from microalgae. With our aforementioned uniqueness, we accelerate our joint projects with our industrial partners. Naturally derived color for food application, antioxidant functional ingredients for nutraceuticals, functional ingredients for beauty personal care products, alternative protein for meat alternatives, so on and so forth. So how do we do this? We have built a very unique algae platform. Our joint development project with customers always start with screening our unique algae strain library to find the best microalgae strain that accumulates target components. Then we optimize our cultivation conditions to maximize productivity of such target component. If necessary, we use our non-GMO breeding technology to mutate microalgae strain. And we can also produce sample products with our pilot scale facility in Japan. If this rings a bell, if you are interested in developing microalgae-based products, be a partner with us and be a solution for a better future. Let's make a move with us by cultivating algae's potential for a better future. Thank you.
You are so much on time, everyone. This is crazy. Okay, good. So let's go for the questions. And please, I remind you, make it really high so that I can really see you well. And that would be really wonderful. So who is the question here or online? Yes, we have here one question. Frank?
You talked about the uniqueness of your library. Can you tell a little bit more about what is unique, what differentiates from other libraries? And are there only natural occurring algae, or are they also recombinantly produced?
Right. First of all, there are only a few companies that have algae strain library as we do. But among them, we are very unique because our long list of strain counts up to more than 3,000 strains. On top of that, we have a few hundred strains which are very unique with the functionality such as antioxidant, anti-stress, so on and so forth. So the data comes with the library is the very unique, and I believe that very strong. I believe it is a strong point for our company.
Thank you. We have another question here, the front row.
I didn't really understand your business model. So from the documentation in advance, it looked like a mixture between consulting services and patent leasing. And now you didn't really expand on this. So how do you actually want to commercialize what you do?
Right. We have a two business model ongoing. First is joint R&D model. So we partner with companies out there, and we start with receiving R&D budget from the company. But once we commercialize the technical package, we license out the technology to the company so that they can commercialize the algae-based product. At the same time, we have our own product development program. So we are preparing for a product launch in 2022.
Thank you. We have time for another question. Don't be shy. Anyone online? No? Okay. We still have 1:25. Yes? Please make your arm really high so that I can see you. Thank you.
As you just mentioned, you're going to launch your own products. Maybe you could tell us a little bit more about them. What exactly want you produce yourself? And if we still have time, then also what products your customers are making with them.
Right. So as for the our own product development side, our first product will be a functional ingredient for nutraceuticals, which have an anti-stress function. But for the joint development side, we have food ingredients, alternative protein, functional ingredients, wastewater management solution. We have a variety of products and solutions.
We have a question here again, right? No? Oh, okay. Good. Another question? Yes, please, here, the gentleman in the first row. We have 25 seconds, so don't run too fast. No, we need a microphone.
Coming back to your potential customers, are you working already on an international base or mainly a Japanese base?
Thank you.
Thank you. As of today, we work with the Japanese companies only, but we do have initial discussion with international companies. So hopefully we could get a contract from international company in the near future.
Oh, perfect. On zero gelandet, so to speak in German say. Wonderful. Thank you so much.